Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets A to Z, capital letter alphabets. Yellow color, green color, black color, red color, blue color, and the last one is brown color. So kids, now we draw and coloring alphabets. Kids, first we draw A and use yellow color. The alphabet of A. A for apple. And the next one is B. We again use yellow color. B for ball. And now we draw C. C for cat. And the next one is D, and now we use green color. D for doll. Green color. D for doll. Now we draw E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw F. And the next one is G. Now we draw G and use black color. G for goat. Now we draw G, and the next one is H, the alphabet of H. Now we draw I for ice cream. Now we draw I. Kids, the next one is J, and now we use red color. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. And now we use blue color. M for moon. Kids, now we draw M and use blue color. M for moon. And the next one is N. N for nest. N for nest. We again use blue color and draw O. The alphabet of O. O for orange. And now we draw P. P for penguin. Now we use brown color. Kids, now we use brown color. P for penguin. And now we draw Q. The alphabet of Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw T and use again yellow color. T for teacher. Yellow color. T for teacher. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. And now we draw V, the alphabet of V. Kids, the next one is W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Now we draw X. Green color. The alphabet of X. And now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. The alphabet of Z. Z for zoo. So kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.